Alright, so hello everybody, this is Haven again, and I am doing these little tutorials on the Unity engine. So here is the next one. And this one is just to bring in a controller because we need to be able to walk around in our scene and see how things look, so it's really easy to do. You can go to Window and open up the Asset Store, and when this opens up, go ahead and in the top part here, whoops, type in character controller, and you'll see that a bunch of them pop up. And of course, a lot of these, nearly all of them, are ones that you pay for, and that's cool. People work hard on this stuff, so it's nice to be able to buy their stuff, but we're just starting out. So let's go ahead and go down to the top free section, and there are two of them here right now. I'll tell you, this one here is for, I'll click on it to show you. It says that it's for Unity 4.6, so you know that we're on Unity 5, that we want to see if we can find one that's for Unity 5. The other thing that we can see, though, here is that this is a version March 17th, 2015, so you would think that maybe they've updated this for the Unity 5 engine. But when you click on this, it tells you that it might not be compatible with yours. So instead of just trying or chancing that, let's see what else we have. And I saw in this one that there is another Unity package. Let's see. Let me go back here. And let's go back down to the free ones. And here's this regular standard assets. And this one is not stating which one it's for, but it was made on March 25th of 15. So because this doesn't specify that it's made for 4.6, I tried this one, and you can see I don't have a download button because I already downloaded it. I have the import button now, which allows me to bring it into the game I'm working in. So since I've already done the import, I'm going to close this and show you what I have. So here's the standard assets. Now there's a lot to look at. There's like, wow, a lot of things going on here. But you can go ahead and you can toggle this open. And we want to look at character controllers, right? And you can see that you have a first person here and you have a third person. Let me get rid of this one for a moment. Let me just delete that. Okay, so in the character controllers, take the first person and just drag it here and bring it up above the ground. If you have it underneath the terrain and you hit the game to play, this will go into a free fall. It will just keep falling and falling and falling, and you won't be able to do anything at all. You'll have to actually stop the game, find it, bring it back, or delete it and start over again. So when you bring this in, just make sure that you bring it in above terrain level somewhere. Now the other problem is that you don't see it yet, but the main camera has normally an audio listener to it. Every camera has an audio listener attached to it because you have to be able to hear when you see and see when you hear. So what I did was I went into the inspector and on the camera, and right underneath flare layer here there was an audio listener, and I just right clicked and deleted it. Kind of like I guess you can't delete this one, but so you could I guess I could add one like this. This is what was here before. So I just right clicked on it, turn it off, right click, and why is it not deleting now? Oh, remove, I'm looking for the word delete. Remove component. And now it's gone. And that's because we have an audio listener here on the character, and you can't have more than one in a game. So now the other thing is that the audio listener for this can be pretty loud. So turn your headset down just in case. So now that we've got this in our world here, we can go ahead and click on play and give it a minute to jump over. And there, now we're seeing things the way that our character would see it. And you can use your WASD to kind of move around. And you can hit your space bar. Sorry about jumping around there. You can hit your space bar to jump up. Okay, so when you jump, you gotta go forward, of course. There we go. So, I don't play games too much. I'd rather make them than play them. But, here we go. So we can walk around, and here's our grass and the little ledge that we're on. And when you get used to things like Second Life, sometimes it's hard to jump over into Unity. Alright, so anyways, there's our game. And we can go ahead and stop the play. And there is our character back where it started. And so that's as easy as that. That's how you can add a controller to your game. Well, have fun. Make sure, please, that you subscribe to the channel, share and like the videos that you see on there, and any kind of comments or suggestions, there's a place for them, of course, just below the description. So have fun. Bye.